Now we got a sofa out here. It's made out of concrete and tiles and glass. You got your ashtray here, smokers, and it says it's fragile. You can have one or two people sitting on it here. So it's even got a big hand right there. I get mine. Well, I have to have the other hand here, so it's not going to work. Oh, here's the other hand. There we go. There's my hand. All right. Okay. Did a nice job on this. All the concrete, all these little tiles. There's a nice tile right there. It's a nice one. Nice piece of glass. Oh, we got a thing here. It says, doesn't say anything. Just a bunch of letters. And we come around the back. And oh, it's got a mirror on there too. Yeah, I got a mirror on it. Oh, that's pretty neat. You can see myself in it. Yeah, there we are. Yes, yes. Travel man, M1 man, travel back on the road again. Okay. All right. There it is. It's windy, blowing like a banshee out here. We got another thing cut out of metal or wood. Looks like a prospector and a penguin, or there might be a puffin or some kind of bird on the side there, but that's over there. There's the parking lot there. We're going to go down and see these other statues. There's one over here. There's a pile of rocks right here. I always like a pile of rocks and all this wind. It's going to be hard to listen to me. I guess this is where people can build their own rocks and have them stack them up here and then see if the wind will blow them down over time here. And it could, the way the winds come up here. Yeah, it's windy here, that's for sure. All right, look at some of those other ones here. And all the different piled up rocks. Always fascinating, just plain old rocks. Now this one looks like an origami crane, except it's made out of metal instead of paper here. So doesn't look too bad. And then in the background we got that other, looks like an Indian or something. Looks like it's made out of blocks of stone or something, just put up and painted different colors way up there. So yeah. Yes, indeed. There it is. There's some other people there, so making noise. Well, this is the Last Supper. It's all made out of, I don't know, cement, plaster, and then painted and whatnot. Not too bad here. And there's a sign here. It says The Last Supper. Looks like 1984 by A. Sukalaski. A. Sukalaski. There's more of them down here. This is a free open air museum. You'll hear that wind blowing in the background. Here it is, The Last Supper. We're going to turn around and look into the wind. Here we go. Last Supper. All right. And over here, we got those squares over there. There's something in the brochure that mentions that, but it's right over there. If you can see it, it's pretty small in the video, but I'm not going to walk over there. And we have another one here. Looks like it's got a pallet. Got a pallet like it's getting ready to paint. One of these cupboard guys. This looks like it might be fiberglass here. Yeah, I think these are all fiberglass. It's not concrete or anything. And it's just painted over after the gel. But that's, I guess, maybe a self-portrait of the artist here. I don't know. No sign on this one. Right here we have a little maze. There's an entrance up here somewhere. Well, I guess you can walk it. It's very nicely made. And a couple of benches out of old logs. And this up here, I think, I don't know what that is. With those two sticks, maybe some kind of weather vane, but it doesn't look like it would be a weather vane. I don't know, but yeah, here you can go in. There's the entrance here. Go in and walk around here, but I'm not going to walk it. because my life is in circles as it is. I get more dizzy than I already am. And we got some more. Looks like things for pulling something with this little wheels here. Look at how old that wood is. That wood could be hundreds of years old there, and just super dried out from being out here in the desert. Not a drop of moisture left in them. But look how thick these guys are. Maybe this is for one of the 20 mule teams maybe here. There's a Shakasaurus there. And I don't know. So, I don't know what they are. Okay, I'm going back to... here's a little plaque about rhyolite. Where they found gold here or something, different things. But yeah, there's the museum we were just at down the road there. You can probably see it. And the bottle house is up over there. And we're coming back down the road here. All right, here's where we are, out in the open desert here. Yes, indeed. Here we go. My trusty chariot, rental chariot. Well, it says, welcome to Beatty, gateway to Death Valley, because we're not far away. Uh-oh, horse boobies. Watch out for that. We're not far from the California border here, which is where Death Valley is. But welcome to Beatty, gateway to Death Valley. There's the old prospector with his mule. There's old Beatty. And in the background is the small town of Beatty. Look to the side, right there. Windy of course, blowing like a banshee. No drone here, but there's the car, and back on the road here.